But wait, we're not done yet. Something is happening. But you don't know what it is, do you, Mr. Jones? We are indeed at the beginning of the beginning. We have just started to make a technological society. The technological changes of the next 10 to 20 years will dwarf those of the past 20 years. It will almost be like nothing at all has happened yet. From a business technology perspective, there's 3+1 advanced technologies that will have a huge impact on business, starting not tomorrow or some distant future, starting today. Smart process apps, gamification, prescriptive analytics, and cognitive computing. Think mobile first. The rise of the smart process app is not just another platform shift. It will profoundly change how people live and work and how companies operate. According to Craig LeClaire at Forrester Research, the Apple App Store has thousands of business apps that are barely used. The main reason? They lack a process layer. They do not interact well with existing information systems and processes. Well, how do SPAs help? They are lightweight and easy to change. They assume mobile, smartphones, and tablets. They use big data, analytics, and human collaboration to predict events and drive action. And unlike ordinary mobile apps, they integrate and leverage core business systems. Gamification. Gamification is the use of game thinking and game mechanics in non-game contexts to engage users in problem solving. Gamification is used in applications and processes to improve user engagement, return on investment, data quality, timeliness, and learning. While some people dismiss gamification as a fad, neuroscientists are discovering more and more about the ways in which humans react to such interactive design elements. They say such elements can cause feel-good chemical reactions, alter human response to stimuli, increasing reaction times, for instance, and can improve learning, participation, and motivation. Engagement is the goal. What's all this got to do with business process management? Simply put, accelerated learning and process improvement and innovation, combining human resources, machine resources, multiple roles, multiple organizational units, and multiple partners in social interactions in a massively multiple online, an MMO, gaming fashion to reach desired outcomes in either a training simulator or as an actionable real-time mode. Prescriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics aims to improve insight into what has happened. Predictive analytics helps model and forecast what might happen. Prescriptive analytics seek to determine the best solution or outcome among various choices given the known parameters. Prescriptive analytics can also suggest decision options for how to take advantage of a future opportunity or mitigate a future risk and illustrate the implication of each decision option. In practice, prescriptive analytics can continually and automatically process new data to improve the accuracy of predictions and provide better decision options. Cognitive computing. The era of cognitive systems is dawning. Once futuristic capabilities are becoming mainstream, natural language interaction will make user experience more intuitive and help extract knowledge and insight from data, especially big data. While artificial intelligence systems have been around for decades, new deep learning capabilities set cognitive systems apart. That is, systems that can think and learn on their own. Machine learning will help systems improve with usage and evolve with expanding information and changing user needs. Cognitive computing uses hundreds of analytics that provide it with capabilities such as natural language processing, text analysis, and knowledge representation to make sense of huge amounts of data, of complex data, in split seconds, to rank answers based on evidence and confidence, and to learn from its mistakes. And of course, this capability is deployed in the cloud and made available as a cognitive service. IBM's Watson was specifically developed to answer questions on the quiz show Jeopardy! In 2011, Watson competed against two former champs. Watson won and received $1 million first prize. Watson had access to 200 million pages of structured and unstructured content consuming 4 terabytes of disk storage, including the full text of Wikipedia, but was not connected to the internet during the game. The game show playing supercomputer has now branched out to other pursuits, trying to serve more serious needs of healthcare and financial services, for example. Going beyond Jeopardy and the early uses in medicine, the Watson Engagement Advisor has the potential to bring the era of cognitive systems to the masses. Watson can help transform the way people and organizations interact over the lifetime of their relationships, completely changing the roles of customer service, which is, of course, a strategic business process. Business process management will never be the same. What about all those service jobs that make up 85% of employment in Western economies? And because you can no longer manage just your enterprise, but you must collaborate across the entire value chain, there won't be one Watson at your service. There will be many, many Watsons serving all the companies and customers in your business network. These special-purpose Watsons will interoperate via an agent communication language for multi-agent collaboration and problem-solving. Google's acquisition of DeepMind came with an estimated $400 million price tag, and the unusual stipulation, Google agreed to create an AI safety and ethics review board to ensure this technology is developed safely. According to Shane Legg from DeepMind, eventually I think human extinction will probably occur, and the technology will be a part of this. And he specifically points out that artificial intelligence, or AI, is the #1 risk for this century to wipe out the human species. Cognitive computing is changing the game of the other 3 game changers as it's being incorporated into each of them. Thank you.